So walking into squat is a way of warming up the body and entering the squat from a slightly different position. Normally we stand and bend the knees and come forward. Here we're going to get the hands behind, supportive, fingers just turned out what's comfortable for the shoulders, lifting up, and you're just rocking forward and back. So whether the feet are in close to begin or further away, it will be a little bit of core movement too. The further the feet are away, you're going to feel probably the hamstrings start to work. And then when you've done a few of these rocking forward and back, you're going to bring your hands a bit closer, go a little bit more. This time the knees might be able to bend forward. Maybe the toes are slightly turning out in that position that you'd have your feet in when you come into the squat. And eventually you're going to start to walk your hands forward, push off one hand to bring the other one in, and then maybe you can lean straight into that squat. Maybe the heels are off the floor, maybe the heels are down. Leaning, taking it back. Maybe you try the different arm coming forward. Maybe the feet need to be slightly wider apart. Maybe the toes need to be slightly turned out more. So just exploring that movement, maybe walking the hands back, doing some more of these hip movements forward and back. For those whose squat isn't as deep as this, just do the best you can, even just rocking forward and back in this position for now.